In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a boomerang effect to Capcut videos. A boomerang effect is that playful forward and back motion you see in short form videos. It's perfect for highlighting a gesture, a spin, or any quick movement. We'll build it in Capcut's web editor using a single clip, some speed adjustments, and a simple reverse pattern so the motion bounces smoothly. Start by heading to capcut.com in your browser. Once you're on the home page, choose Create New to open a fresh project. You'll be prompted to pick a canvas size. Select the one that matches where you plan to post. Vertical 9:16 is great for TikTok Reels and Shorts. Horizontal 16.9 works well for YouTube. Choosing the correct canvas now saves time later and ensures your subject stays framed correctly. With your project open, look for the upload option. Click it, then choose Upload File to bring in your video from your computer. Short clips with a clear, singular motion work best for boomerangs. After it imports, select the clip on your timeline or in your media bin. On the right toolbar, find the speed control and set it to 4x. Speeding up your footage creates that energetic snap that boomerangs are known for, and it keeps the loop feeling tight. If your original clip is long, a concise moment typically yields a cleaner bounce. Now let's build the loop. Add the same clip to the timeline 7 times by clicking it 7 times. Each click drops another copy end to end on the timeline, giving us a sequence we can alternate forward and backward. Keeping all copies the same length helps the rhythm feel consistent across the loop. Next, select the second clip in the sequence and click reverse. Repeat that same reverse action on the 4th and 6th clips. This creates an alternating pattern. The first clip plays forward, the second plays backward, then forward again, and so on. Capcut may take a moment to process each reversal, so wait for the status to complete before moving on. This alternating pattern is the core of the boomerang effect and is why the motion appears to bounce. Press play to preview your boomerang. You should see a smooth forward and back loop that feels punchy and seamless. If it feels too slow or fast, try slightly adjusting the speed value you applied earlier until the movement matches the vibe you want. For best results, use footage with steady framing and a clear motion arc, like a turn, a wave, or a quick jump. And that's it. Your boomerang effect is ready to go.